Hello, it's your girl Eko Bellissima. I hope all of you are doing well. On today's menu, I'm preparing a Egusi stew with eba or Gari. In fancy, we call it aketwa for it. So let's see our ingredients that we are going to use. These are my ingredients that I'm going to use. So let's start. I'm first seasoning my meat. I'm using turkey meat. This is my turkey meat, cow skin. You can use any meat of your choice that you prefer. And then cow towel. And then goat meat, as usual. I'm going to blend anything here. Using natural spices. 1 teaspoon of my meat spices. And then my dialbrodo, 1 tablespoon of it. I have my garlic, this garlic powder. I'm not going to blend anything. If you prefer, you can blend your ginger garlic. Then this is my ginger powder. Just a little bit. A very simple recipe. And then salt to taste. Just a little. I'm going to add a little bit of water. So I'm done. It's going on fire. I'm cutting half of onion onto my meat. Half. Just half. Give it a little flavor. Okay guys, please. I'm checking my meat. It's about 5 minutes later. Just see how our meat is. I'm adding my Kako. I want to boil it a little bit. After I'll remove it from it. Okay. Nice. Going to blend my bell pepper. That's what I'm using it for my sauce. The red one, I'm using 1.5. Don't worry, all the ingredients will be listed below the description box. Don't worry. I've already washed everything. Can cut it any size that you want because we are blending it. I'm using 1.5. I'm using another 1.5 onion for the oil, the fried oil. Let's cut it. Guys, I'm starting my stew. I'm adding my oil. Red oil. oil has been heated. I'm adding my onions. Just fry it about 2 minutes. I'm not going to fry it too much, just 2 minutes. Because of the agushe, it's very sweet. So you don't have to fry your onion too much. Other than that, it will be very more sweet. Just 2. I'm adding my salted fish, momone. Just 2 minutes. Then we are going to add my blended ginger bell pepper. Have you seen it? I didn't blend it to be too smooth. I want it a little bit rough. Then you stir it together. Then leave it for about 10 minutes. Fry a bit. Guys, it's about 30 minutes later because I wanted the water to drain from it a little bit. Just look at it. It's time for me to add my kako, the one that I just boiled it, and then my shrimp powder. Mix everything together. Then leave it for another 5 minutes. The sauce is very delicious. You can enjoy it with so many food. Gari, boiled yam, plantain, white rice, boiled white rice. You can enjoy it a lot of things. I need to add my meat. I'm putting everything together. And then add a little bit of stock, the meat stock. I'm not going to add everything, just a little. I don't want it too watery. Then you stir it together. Guys, I'm adding my catfish, then my 1 Star Cub, and then Maggi Cub to it. I'm going to use warm water to mix our agushe. Before that, I'm adding 2 eggs to it. Then beat everything together. Add the water a little bit by a little. I don't want it to be too watery. I want it thick. Mix everything together. This is the texture that I'm looking for. It's okay for me. Just a little bit. Have you seen it? It's the texture. So I'm going to add it to my stew. Agushe. Let's stir it a little bit. Then put our agushe. Sprinkle on it. We're almost done. After we add our spinach. Very simple and delicious. Yeah, done. Whilst our sauce is on fire, I'm cutting my spinach into pieces. Just a little, not too much, because I don't want the spinach to show more. That's why I'm cutting it a little bit. Right, so have you seen the Agushe? Waketwa. You've seen it. Then we break it. I'm not going to break everything into pieces because I want some to be a little bit bigger. Eh? So I like this texture. Eh? How it's looking. I love it. I'm going to add the spinach very soon. The spinach is going inside very soon. We're going to leave it for another 5 minutes, then we add our spinach. Guys, I'm adding my Egusi, my spinach. And everything, we stir it together. Preparing my Gari. The water has been boiled. I've added salt to it. So I'm putting my Gari inside my hot water. I'm using 2 cups of Gari. It's a bit of water. Depends the size of your family. Now you measure your Gari. Our eba is ready. Hi guys. We have finished our menu for today. Just look at our Egusi stew with eba. Eh? Have you seen it? It's very simple. Look at how we eat it. Very delicious. I urge you to try it for me. If today is the first time of watching this video, please and please don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel because we have a lot for you. I want you to try it. It's very delicious and simple. You seen it, how I'm enjoying it. You can enjoy it, I've already said it. You can enjoy it with rice, yam, plantain, even salmon. You can enjoy it with it.